Join me as I take on the challenge of going vegan for 6 whole months and share my journey of loving every bite. I'm so excited to share with you my incredible experience of going vegan for 6 months. It's been an amazing journey, and I'm thrilled to take you through the ups and downs, the challenges, and the triumphs. I know a lot of people who are considering veganism often get discouraged by common misconceptions or face challenges that make them hesitant to take the leap. One of the biggest misconceptions is that vegan food is boring or lacks variety. I used to think that way too, but trust me, there are so many delicious and creative vegan recipes out there that will blow your mind. Another challenge people face is getting enough protein or iron on a vegan diet. But the truth is, with a little bit of planning and creativity, it's easy to get all the nutrients you need from plant-based sources. For example, beans, lentils, and tofu are all great sources of protein, while dark leafy greens and legumes are rich in iron. Some people also worry that veganism is too expensive or only for elite hippies. But the reality is, with a little bit of meal planning and shopping smart, veganism can be accessible to anyone, regardless of income or social status. Plus, it's not just about the food, it's about the lifestyle, the environment, and the compassion towards animals. Lastly, some people think veganism is all about deprivation and restriction, but I can confidently say that's not true. As a vegan, I've discovered a whole new world of flavors, textures, and cuisines that I never knew existed. From vegan pizza to vegan sushi, the options are endless, and I've never felt more liberated or excited about food. Since going vegan, I've experienced some amazing benefits. My energy levels are through the roof, my skin is clearer, and I've lost weight in a healthy and sustainable way. Plus, I've reduced my carbon footprint, and I feel more connected to the environment and the animals. One of my favorite meals is a vegan quinoa bowl with roasted vegetables. It's so nutritious and delicious. As for recipes, I've discovered some amazing ones that I just can't get enough of, like this vegan lentil curry that's so easy to make and packed with protein and fiber. Or these vegan banana pancakes that are fluffy, delicious, and perfect for a Sunday brunch. The possibilities are endless, and I'm always excited to try new recipes and experiment with new flavors. But there was a significant turning point in my journey that changed everything for me. I was at a vegan festival, and I had the most mind-blowing vegan pizza that completely transformed my perspective. The flavors, the texture, the presentation, everything was just perfect. It made me realize that veganism wasn't just about giving up certain foods, but about discovering a whole new world of possibilities. Around the same time, I started to notice some amazing health benefits. My digestion improved, my allergies started to clear up, and I just felt more vibrant and alive. It was like my body was thanking me for making the switch to a plant-based diet. And that's when I knew I was never going back. Veganism had become a part of my identity. Looking back on the past 6 months, I'm blown away by the positive changes I've experienced. From the food to the lifestyle to the environmental impact, everything has been a game changer. And I want to encourage you to take the leap and try veganism for yourself. It's not always easy, but trust me, it's worth it. Thanks for joining me on this journey, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Have you tried veganism, or are you considering making the switch? Let me know your thoughts, and don't forget to check out my other video on plant-based recipes for some inspiration.